Today we're going to be discussing a citation that the Illinois Department of Public Health recently issued to Manor Court of Maryville Nursing Home after a resident there didn't get their blood thinner medication and ended up having pulmonary embolisms in both lungs. My name is Barry Doyle. I'm a lawyer in Skokie practicing nursing home abuse and neglect work throughout the state of Illinois. I'm also the author of Built to Fail, a free report available for download from my website, which spells out how the nursing home business model inevitably produces unnecessary injuries and deaths for nursing home residents. The resident at issue was admitted to the nursing home after being hospitalized for having blood clots in both legs. Part of the discharge orders from the hospital was that she was supposed to be receiving eliquis, a blood thinner medication, 2 times a day. The ordinary process that follows a resident when they are discharged from a hospital is that there is a series of discharge orders that are transmitted over to the nursing home from the hospital, typically by fax. When the resident is actually admitted to the nursing home, those discharge orders, which includes the medications that the resident is supposed to be receiving, are transferred over to the order sheet and to the medication administration record. The medication administration record is one of the documents that's used day in, day out in a nursing home, and essentially what this does is it records the type of medication the resident is supposed to be receiving, the dose, the frequency, and provides a place where the chart can be initialed for indications that the resident either received the medication, refused it, or it was held for some reason. When a resident is admitted to the nursing home and these discharge orders are transferred over, usually the process that's in place is that those orders are going to be double checked by members of the nursing staff to make sure that all of the orders are carried over from the hospital to the nursing home. This helps ensure the continuity of care for the resident. If the orders are not transcribed over accurately, if there are items of care that are missing, this is something that can really set the stage for disaster. In this particular case, the orders for eliquis were not transferred over from the discharge orders from the hospital to the medication administration record at the nursing home, which means that this resident who was already having problems with blood clots wasn't receiving the blood thinning medication that they were supposed to be receiving. As a result, she ended up developing pulmonary embolisms, which are blood clots in the lungs. This is something that is often fatal. In this particular case, the resident began to experience severe chest pain and was transferred to the hospital where she received blood thinning medication to resolve these clots. This resulted in the resident not ending up being killed by this, but it's something that very easily could have happened. It could have just as easily happened that the resident ended up having a stroke or having some other vascular complication. This is a serious complication in the care of this resident that really never should have occurred. Nursing homes are businesses, and well-run businesses have systems that are in place to help ensure that the types of routine services are provided as they're supposed to. Either this nursing home didn't have a system in place for making sure that the discharge orders were double checked as they were entered onto the resident's record, or there was a breakdown in that process. Either way, this was a really catastrophic type of event for this particular resident, which really never should have occurred. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Barry Doyle. I hope you found this interesting. If you have any questions regarding this or any other nursing home abuse and neglect issue, you can reach out to us by phone at 312-263-1080, or you can reach us on the web at www.accidentlawillinois.com. Thanks for watching.